You've got coffee on your nose.
It's tea.
Well, you've got tea on your nose.
Of course I do. Hey guys, it's me Maizelynn, and welcome back to Maizelyn's Makeup Monday. Yay! And today I'm with my uncle, Alexander Rahim.
Hello.
Okay, so today we're going to be doing the Blindfold Makeup Challenge. And he's doing my makeup blindfolded.
Yeah. I'm nervous. I'm gonna poke your eye out or something. So we have all the stuff laid out here.
Oh wait, guys, we have a special guest. Ashton.
My dog.
Okay.
Okay, so wait, what are the rules?
Okay, so the rules to this challenge is you can't touch my face unless you're doing mascara because I don't want to lose an eyeball. The next one is you have to obviously be blindfolded, and I can't open anything for you. Not like that.
Oh,
okay.
This is gonna be a disaster. What are you blindfolding me with?
Here is your blindfold. I can find another one.
So do I put this on now? This? Okay.
You can't see through that, right?
Nope.
Okay, how many fingers am I holding up?
27. I can't see.
I'm gonna mix this up so he doesn't know where everything is. Now, if we drop this, you're gonna be in serious trouble. You want to just find the foundation.
Okay.
Gosh. I'm gonna close my eyes. I'm scared. This is scary.
Oh wait, we were supposed to do this. Put your arms up. Put your arms down.
Put the foundation on my face. Oh my gosh. Okay, don't poke my eye out, please. So close to my eye. This is a great blending job. So when you put on your foundation, you have to make sure it's evenly blended and that like it's all over your face. And you can put it on your eye if you want. It's just like mixed with like not my hands challenge. Oh no, I dropped it on the table. Ah! You got it in my eye. Okay, next is contour.
I know it's that Fenty too. Oh, I got it. Okay.
You're gonna mess up my cheekbone. Okay, the purpose of contour is to accentuate your cheekbones.
Is it now? No. Okay.
I'm gonna close my eyes.
And your jaw.
Yeah. Get it in my hair, it's fine.
You can't find.
I can greatly see.
Stop moving!
Next step is you have to blend it in. I think you kind of drop the beauty blender. Beauty blender? Oh. Definitely. Blending. Just blend my cheek. Oh, you gotta blend my forehead. Like really bad. You did a great job. Okay, now my jawline. My chin. And now my nose. Ugh, got it on my nose. Okay, so if you're like so if you're like not doing the blindfold makeup challenge, you actually have to make sure you fully blend it in because it's not fully blended. Okay, next is bronzer. I'm scared. That was fast. I think I might have to mix it up again. And just get it all over if you need to. Whatever you like to. Ew. Oh my god.
your hair.
Next is eyeshadow. How about it? Oh, I don't like eyeliner. So now he's looking for a brush. He's found a brush.
That's not right.
Just kidding. I really gotta close my eyes. Make a brew. Okay, next you have to. Okay, so next we're gonna do.
Yeah, well, let's do something else for the brows.
You can use mascara. I've had people do that before. My sister does that. There's like a lot of mascaras, I think, on the table. I don't know. So now once you're done with your eyebrows, I don't know why I struggle. Once you're done with your eyebrows, you can do mascara.
I guess we'll just use the same one.
I think we dropped the other. Oh gosh. Next is lipstick. You gotta put both of them on. Okay, now you gotta put the lipstick on your lips. That's great. Okay. Okay, now you gotta do the lip gloss. Okay, put it on my lips. Oh gosh, benefit of layering is it'll stay on longer. And yeah.
So what do you want?
Okay, I just want like a simple look. Ah! You just stuck in the eye. He's gonna try and do like a tiny little eye look. So let's see if he can get it. I just kind of want like maybe like a fun like dance look. So maybe
A dance look.
Yeah, so like a fun night out with your friends. Maybe that'd be good. Like a fun night out with your friends. Maybe like a school dance. Nothing too crazy, you know.
Am I using proper technique here, Maizelynn?
Yeah. No.
No! So I don't have a future in cosmetology.
Probably not. I don't know who holds an eyeshadow brush like that either. Okay. You want to see what I look like?
Are we glamorous?
Yes, it's beautiful. The minute the bronzer went on, I was like, this is gonna be bad.
Look at me!
Look at the lipstick! I want to do your makeup.
Welcome to our YouTube tutorial. Okay, the point of a contour stick is to highlight your cheek. You use a colour that matches your... Oh.
Yeah.
Beautiful.